Okay, come get this other one. Pull it out. What is it? What is it? Turn it around. Can you tell what it is?
It's a dinosaur.
It is?
It's a dinosaur bubble thing.
A dinosaur bubble thing? Cool.
What's in here? I think there's something in here.
Yes, yes. There's something in there.
Here you go, bud. You pull it up.
Yes, I can.
Look, cut it up.
Cars.
What's that?
The car stickers. The car stickers.
Whoa, what is this? Here, blow on that. Blow on this end. Put your mouth on. Put your mouth over it.
Cool. Can you say thanks, Grandpa Mike and Gaga?
Thank